Welcome to Login Helps, your ultimate guide for AI tools for 2026. Let's get started. Welcome to the ultimate AI toolkit for 2026. The AI revolution isn't just coming, it's here, and it has completely changed how we work, create, and communicate. But with thousands of tools available, the biggest challenge isn't finding AI, it's finding the best AI for your specific needs. Today, we are breaking down the definitive list of the top-rated AI tools across every major category to help you stay ahead of the curve. First, let's talk about the engines of productivity. ChatGPT remains the gold standard. In 2026, it's more than a chatbot. It's a multimodal powerhouse handling everything from advanced Python coding to real-time voice conversations that feel indistinguishable from a human assistant. However, if you are a researcher or a writer, you're likely using Claude. Known for its superior reasoning and a massive context window, Claude can read entire books in seconds and summarize them with a tone that feels genuinely human, avoiding the robotic feel of other models. For those tired of traditional SEO-cluttered search results, Perplexity AI has become the go-to search engine replacement. It doesn't just give you links, it gives you direct answers with clear inline citations from the live web. And for the organizers, Notion AI is the invisible assistant. It lives inside your workspace, turning messy meeting notes into actionable project plans, without you ever having to switch tabs. Moving into the creative space, the visuals being produced today are breathtaking. Midjourney continues to lead the pack for high-fidelity, artistic image generation. Its version 7 and 8 models in 2026 produce photorealism that challenges professional photography. For the corporate and professional world, Adobe Firefly is the winner. Because it's built directly into Photoshop and trained on licensed assets, it's the only choice for commercial-safe generative fill. When it comes to motion, Runway Gen-3 is the powerhouse. We aren't just talking about short clips anymore. Runway allows for world simulation and high-end AI video generation that is reshaping the film industry. Finally, for marketing and training, HeyGen is the leader. It allows you to create ultra-realistic AI avatars that can speak any language, making global video production as simple as typing a script. In the business world, efficiency is king. Jasper remains the favorite for marketing teams. Unlike general AI, Jasper is designed to learn and maintain your specific brand voice across every campaign. If you're starting a business, Wix AI has revolutionized the process. You can now generate a complete professional website layout, including copy and branding, from just a few conversational prompts. And if you're still building slides manually, you're losing time. Gamma is a breakthrough tool that creates stunning presentations and slide decks instantly from text, allowing you to focus on the speech, not the font size. Lastly, let's look at the specialized tools. ElevenLabs has become the industry standard for audio. Their hyper-realistic voice cloning and text-to-speech tools are now used in everything from audiobooks to video games. For music, Suno is the undisputed champ. It can generate full, high-quality songs, complete with lyrics, melody, and vocals, from a single prompt, democratizing music creation for everyone. And for the developers, Blackbox AI is revolutionizing coding workflows. It's a top-rated assistant that doesn't just suggest code, it helps solve complex architectural problems through conversational help. Whether you're a creator, an entrepreneur, or a student, these tools are the keys to the future. The best tool is the one that fits your workflow. If this guide helped you narrow down your choices, let us know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Login Helps, and like the video for more cutting-edge tech tutorials. Thank you for watching. Let me know which is your favorite AI tool in the comment section below.